Hello everyone, this is Aishwarya Devi, Assistant Professor, Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute. Today I am going to teach you the hands-on session on spreadsheets. Already we saw about the arithmetic operations, how to do basic arithmetic operations on spreadsheets, and the next class I taught you the basic filter operations. Today I am going to teach you how to work on pivot tables. So what do you mean by pivot tables? Pivot tables are used to summarize your data. Mainly, it is used for summarization of the data. Okay, it will be easily accessible and fast analysis of the data. We are moving on for the pivot tables. To work on pivot tables, first select the cell where you want to publish your result. So go to the insert column, select the pivot table, their range will be displayed. Okay, you have to select the range from where to where your display the results will be displayed. That is one method. Another shortcut method is there for selecting the pivot table, that is press alt plus n plus v plus t. Your pivot table will be selected. There you have to select the particular range. There two radio buttons are available. One is new worksheet, another one is existing worksheet. You have to select the existing worksheet and click OK. So if you click that, you will see the table columns. One is report filter, column labels, row labels, and values. There are four available options is there in the pivot table. So you have to select it. So for this first thing, always use the base or content in a row label. So what is the base here? Here I am choosing the register number as a base. Register number is a base content. So I am choosing in the row labels. Second, for displaying sum or average, I am selecting sum or average in the value section. So you have to select the sum or average value in the value section. So next, if I want to select the subjects. So if I want to select the subject, there are different subjects available. How to select the subjects in the value section? How to select the subjects in the value section only. Okay. Next, there is a drop down arrow. In this, there is an option called value settings. Value field settings is there. No, you have to click that. If you need sum means you have to click sum, click the sum option and give OK. Your sum will be displayed. And if you want to display the count information, give count and click OK. Your count information will be displayed. And next, if you want your pivot table is rounded values, because here 84.66, 93.333 like that will be there. No, you have to round your values as a 2 decimal point or 0 decimal point. You have to give that, click that arrow box, their value field settings is there, click that. Have to click the number format and give the number count as 0. Is the decimal values as 0, or you have to give us a 2 count, whatever it is, and click OK. So if you click that option, your average, sum or average will be in a rounded value. So that's all about the pivot table. Mainly it is used for summarizing your data. Thank you very much.